Hey guys, and welcome back to one of my favourite ever videos to film, as you guys know. If you're brand new here, the Asos haul is something, I've been doing it for years. I love Asos. It's just so quick, it's so easy. I ordered these yesterday at like 4 o'clock. They arrived like a few hours ago at like 3 o'clock. It's just so fast. I love it. So with us going on a few trips coming up, I just wanted to get some last minute things again. More last minute things. I know that I did my Bestie Does My Asos haul. I'll leave that link down below if you didn't see it. But a few of the things I sent back because they weren't quite the right size. So I wanted to do another like big spring Asos haul, and I was feeling really inspired. So that's what it's going to be. I've just been filming another video, a Net-a-Porter Mulberry haul video as well, and I'm just in the best mood today. The sun's out. I'm just feeling really happy, so I thought I'd film this as well. So let's just get into this. Got two big boxes filled with a lot of things, so I'm just going to try on as we go, unbox, try on, haul with you. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out of this box is a bikini top, and I already have this bikini top, but I have it in the balconette version. Balconette, is that what you say? Is that how you say it? When I wanted to buy it, I also wanted to buy it in this strapless version, and they didn't have it, and they've just got it. They've just got it in, so I've got it in a 30D for me, because that's my usual size, so that does feel like it'll fit quite nicely. I just love it. I love the colour. I just really like the print. I just think it looks really sweet, and it was like £16. You just can't go wrong. I'm not going to try it on for you guys, or maybe I will. The next thing in here that is mightily squished, I just really wanted a sun hat to protect my head. I do already have one in a different colour, but I just fancy getting something a little more new and different. So what size have I got this in? Is this in a small? That does not suit me, does it? No. I was really hoping that this would look really cute and I'd be able to wear it all the way around India and look really sweet, but it just doesn't. Do you know what though? Every time I do this and I don't like how something fits, you guys are always like, no, I love it. I'm just looking in the mirror here behind me, and I'm not blown away by this. No, I can't make that work. Next up, I went for a pair of shoes, and I'll be honest, the majority of my shoe collection is always usually designer. I'm just a bit of a designer shoe girl. So a lot of people love bags. I love my shoes, I think, the most. But for this trip, I thought these looked really quite comfortable. Let me see. Oh yeah, do you know what? It is comfy. It's actually really comfy, that. Oh, I like those. You guys can't see. Oh no, I can't even lift my leg. I've got such sore legs from the gym. No, I can't. I can't do it. I'll put them on here. Oh no. Oh. See, they're cute, right? Let me try on the other one. Yeah, they're really cute. And I think these were like 12 quid, guys. If I'm just walking around the streets, if I'm just in a little, obviously I'm going to be in a little pair of shorts. I'm not taking any jeans to India with me. They're going to be really sweet. I really like those a lot. They're adorable. Easy peasy shoes. I can get these battered up, like they can get dirty, and I'll get over it. Okay, the next thing in here, I absolutely love this. Oh yes! Okay, this is a little sleep set. Not necessarily just for this trip either, just for me to have, just as a new little cami set. This is so pretty. It's a little red camisole top that has some frilly bits around the edge. That's adorable, and it comes with the matching shorts. It's adorable little waistband. They are so cute. Absolutely adorably cute. They're going to be great. They'll be great for the trip, and they'll be great for afterwards, just over spring. Yeah, they are a hit. They're an absolute keeper. I don't think you need to see me in that either to kind of get the gist of it. I'll leave like a picture of the model wearing it here on the screen so you can see that. Right, okay, onto the big box. Okay, the first thing I can see here is a little t-shirt with some ruffle sleeves, as I recall. Ah, it's very similar to what I'm wearing. That's probably why I ordered this. Yeah, let's try it on. Sweet. It's a little white tee. Very sweet, feminine sleeves. I quite like that. I quite like it. I know it's quite simple. By the way, I'm really sorry my hair isn't done today. I'm just really enjoying this very low maintenance look. Yeah, I like it. I think that's really sweet. I'll just tuck it into my shorts. It almost has a bit of a vest vibe, and then it's got the sleeves. But it was like £12, I think, like £12, £14. Yeah, I really like that. I like it. Just remembered, Alex made me a coffee. Ooh, I don't know how I feel about that. It doesn't taste amazing. Okay, so this is a hit. I like this a lot. Okay, this one. Now this one, I remember I had to get this in an 8 because it had run out in a 6. But that just shows how much I liked it. I was willing to take a chance on this. Oh, but it's in petite, so maybe it won't be too bad. Maybe it won't be too bad. It's like a wrap top. Is this gonna even cover a bra? This is actually from Boohoo. I haven't ordered from Boohoo in a very, very long time, but I kind of like this style. Okay, that's my bra. That's my bra. I don't quite get it. Ooh, I'm going all out summery with this one. Look how beautiful that colour of yellow is. Oh, it's beautiful, and it all comes in at the waist, it pulls in. Yeah, it just pulls in at the waist. Just give quite a flattering fit around the waist. Gorgeous fabric. It's like a jacquard heart patterned top. Almost feels really silky as well. That's beautiful. With my new navy shorts, this will look really, really pretty. Yes. Great choice. Now, I went all out with these oranges and yellows. I really, really did. I'm in a bit of an orange and yellow theme right now. Oh, this is nice. What do we think? Like, sort out your hair so you look normal. I kind of like it, and I love the colours, and I love how airy. This will be so wonderfully airy for India. I'll feel comfortable and covered up, but it's very lightweight, lovely fabric. I kind of feel like maybe taking a chance on this, because I actually really like it if I'm wearing my hair up, because I'm probably going to be wearing it up most of the time in the heat. Do you know, I do really like it. I love this colour. This colour is absolutely beautiful. I kind of wish that this was a little bit more open and relaxed, and you could wear it a bit more off shoulder though, I must admit. I think that would look really nice. But overall, do you know, I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan of this. I think it's very, very holiday appropriate. I like it. Okay, one last top. I'm just doing the tops first so that I don't have to change out of my trousers. And it looks like this. Is that like a halter neck insert? Ooh, okay, I don't quite get how this goes on. Okay, so this is that top. I literally just filmed it, hence why I've got the next thing on, and I realised it wasn't filming. So I'll talk about this in a second. But this top, I actually really quite like it. I think it's so feminine and pretty. It's got a lot of details for the price of it as well. Like, it's cut out details here and here. Really gorgeous fabric, actually. I mean, it's not too bad in terms of, I mean, if this wasn't here, probably wouldn't be too bad. It's just very feminine, and it's pretty adorable, actually. I think I really like this as a more maybe evening top. Just so ornate though, almost. I think I need to think about this one, like what I would pair this with. I'm not sure. The next thing is this tulle skirt. Let me see. So this is a skirt. I just thought that colours and how pretty it would look beautiful and whimsical in pictures. I think it's really pretty, actually. Not with this top. I think with this top it's too much. But if I paired it with just an ordinary, one of the little white tees with the cute sleeves, maybe I should do that now. Oh, I don't know. I don't know if it even goes with this. Maybe it needs to be literally a tiny camisole. Okay, this is harder for me to style than I thought it would be. Yeah, I reckon just a really tiny bodysuit then. It's like a white bodysuit tucked into this. It would look really nice. But I love the colour, and I think it'll be really, really pretty. Although a little warm, but nice. I've got a jumpsuit. This is really gorgeous. It's lightweight. It's beautiful fabric. It's a really pretty print. Okay, that's better. Finally, I spent ages just rejigging my cameras. Now Alex is making a noise. Yeah, I really, really like this. I just think it's gonna be very pretty. I feel so, it fits really, really well. And then, so trick, it just comes down like above ankle length. It's kind of just grazing my calves like here. So just with some cute little shoes. Yeah, this is a yes, guys. I really, really like this. I think this might be one of the most expensive pieces in this haul, but I know I'm going to get so much wear out of this when I'm in India. It's a good one. I love it. Okay, more yellow. I got some more yellow. Ah, this is sweet. Little halter neck pastel yellow dress. I think I'm going to like this. Oh my god, I love this dress. I am obsessed with this. How nice is this dress? What's that? This dress is absolutely beautiful. Look how cute this dress is.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Isn't it? Oh, it's absolutely adorable, and it was so affordable as well.
How much was it?
I'm sure it was like 25 quid or something.
Really?
It's like Asos own, yeah?
Very
I
cool.
love it.
I think without the jacket and with like a hat on, like a straw hat.
I got a straw hat like this.
Very big, that hat.
Yeah, it's too big. That's what I mean. It's just a bit too big. Very bougie.
Yeah,
But
maybe
yeah,
not that hard, but
this
yeah,
kind of thing.
that kind of idea.
Okay, massive hit. This is great. Oh my god, sorry, another yellow. Is yellow on trend right now? I think it is. Oh my god, what's that? No, I've got gelatine in it.
Veggie caterpillars.
You got so many treats, why? Mmm. Who needs gelatine when you can have this? Mmm. This one's gorgeous. Wow. This is a wide leg jumpsuit with bandeau front tying bow boob area. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is how it goes. Isn't that pretty? Although I feel like if I just breathe out a bit, this might just come straight down. Oh no, maybe not though. I mean, it's still up here at the back, so it'll take some movement, and I think I could probably do a better job actually of tying this a little tighter. Oh, but it's actually really beautiful. See, so it's really like wide leg style. Do you know, I really like this too. I think it'll look absolutely beautiful in India. Let me know what you think, guys. I really like this. I think this is really, really pretty. I'm gonna have a lot of yellow though on this trip, aren't I? Like a lot. A lot of yellow. This would look beautiful in red. Right, next one, another dress. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This is absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? What do you think? The colour, the style. Now this is kind of what I was going for with that other tulle skirt, and I think I just prefer this. I think I'm going to send back the other tulle skirt and just go for this, because for like an evening, if we're going for a meal. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. The way it's catching the light is absolutely stunning. I love it. I think it's beautiful. Honestly, I think this might be one of my best ever like successful hauls I've ever done, and one of the biggest. Now this I saw and thought it was so adorable and just really quite gimmicky, but I've seen a lot of these kind of bags and this one was just really ornate and it kind of reminded me of India. Look at this bag. It's like this and then it pulls open. On the inside is this beige little sack, so you can put all your stuff inside that. And then this closes like that. Oh, that's so cute. I really like it with this dress. I think that's adorable, guys. What do you think of this? I know it's different for me, but I just thought, oh, it's just a strip. And for any like little summery holidays, it's adorable. It looks like a little bird cage. Yeah, that's sweet. And the last thing I got was a pair of sandals. Again, they were super affordable, kind of similar vibes to those last ones. Okay, so, these little cuties, very sweet. Again, these were so affordable as well. Oh, they're really comfortable. This is the way to do it, so ladylike. Oh, they're great. They are great. They'll just be so they're really comfortable. They don't feel like the really crappy base on them either. Like they feel really comfy. I love them! And so affordable. Again, just with some little shorts, these will look mega cute. Sold, sold. And that's it, guys, for this pretty huge haul. However, honestly, I feel like this was so successful. I pretty much love the jumpsuit, the 2 yellow dresses, this dress, the little camisole set, a load of the tops, that cute little bag. That is so cute. Just as like a really cute, like gimmicky bag for like your evening out on your summer holiday. So I honestly feel like I'm totally sorted now. I've got 2 new pairs of shoes in there that I love, and they're just so affordable as well that I can just totally ruin these if I have to, if I'm going out every day and they're getting dusty and worn, and it's not going to be a massive deal. So yeah, I'm super happy. Everything that I picked up, I'll leave it down below in order that you've seen it as well to make it super easy. Well, that's it. If you're brand new here, guys, I would love it if you subscribed. That would be amazing. Just click the picture of my face on the screen and come back again next time. But if you're already subscribed, please as well hit the little bell button down below just to make sure that you get notifications every time that I post, because YouTube isn't really telling people these days when people are posting like on the minute. It'll just be a little notification on your phone that says In The Throes has posted a new video, so that would be amazing. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good evening and I'll see you soon. Mwah.